This is a repair test for Michelle Bailey. The day is October 3rd, 2022. The time is 2:30 p.m. Got a missing shingle here. It's the one we're going to be attempting repairing it. 1, 2, 3. I think all the sealant strips are already pretty loose. Let me break these bottom ones real quick. Granule floss already just off the grip. We're trying to break the sealant strips and get them loose. Ready to go. Looking good. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and start pulling some nails here. What we're using is a 5-in-1 hammer, State Farm tool, roof snake, and a nail puller. Let's go ahead and get some nails out. Okay, looks like we don't have one here. Cool. Ooh, granules just coming right off. See the creasing? The granule loss. See that? Yep, very good. Got this one here. Granules pouring off of there. Put it on down. Yep, same story on this one. See all that? The granule loss, there's creasing already. Go ahead and pull this one. Creasing, granule loss. Oh, it's already got wind damage on it. Come on out. Okay. Here's the old shingle. Go ahead and install the new one. Beautiful. Installing these new nails with a State Farm tool, otherwise known as the roof snake. Butter. That's a higher pitch and they're just going straight in.
Oh, yeah.
It has to have something to do with it when they won't go in, it being a lower pitch.
Maybe with the angle of it.
I think that has something to do with it, with this roof snake being angled. Because I never have an issue with them once it's like 9 and up on the pitch.
Yeah. I mean, they're going in like butter on this one, man.
Yep. All right, take a look at the surrounding shingles. They've all got creasing, and granule loss. This repair test has failed. Cannot repair this.